LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if you refer to our analysis in my last video, you mentioned the ways moving is really corrective. That's why I mentioned if you want to look for any trade setup, the best is we wait for to get the correction. As you can see, the price will move a bit higher, then drop. No one see what's the next. And if you refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. And MACD doesn't show us anything. All right. Anyway, we want to see how we can look for trade. First, we start with daily chart. No, we get this reversal. Now we want to see whether we can get the correction. The best thing is if we get the correction, we will look for continuation. And beside that, we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time. Okay, that's why if you want to look for trade, we need to have a proper trade setup and proper management. Okay. Anyway, no, since the price the way it was moved is really corrective, we mentioned we can if we want to look for buy, we have to get the correction. And no one see whether this is the we get the correction for continuation or not. We don't have any trade setup right now. And even we can expect the price continue, give us a correction for sell. We will have both opportunity and both possibility. All right. That's why we cannot buy right now. We want to see what we get here. Because even still we can put this one in relative to this for a bigger flat for one more drop. The next drop may can retest this low or drop a bit before we get the next move. That means we can expect to get a deeper correction. Okay, now we want to see how we can look for trade. The best is we wait. Okay, in this case we move to 1 hour chart. We want to see what we have based on 1 hour chart. All right, we don't have any trade setup raise right now. Can we put this one as an internal flat? All right, that means if we want to look for trade, the best thing is we wait to get the bigger correction. And the another I mean, if the price reverse from here, one of the option having entry above this, which is really risky. We're looking for in that case, we're looking for the continuation with the sharp move, or we wait for the sharp move with the flag. Okay, this is the reasons we don't have any trade set up right now. The only thing is we have to see what we get here. And as I mentioned, if there is a continuation as a correction for down move, then we need to look at the entire structure. Anyway, we don't have any trade set up. The best thing is we wait and see what we get here. And in case the price continue from here, either having a entry above the top or we wait for the flag, sharp move with the flag to look for trade. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thank you.